Hello, my name is Gordon and welcome to Festool TV. And today I'm going to show you an application for the DF500 domino jointer. A popular use for the DF500 is joining panels of man-made boards such as MFC, veneered MDF and chipboards, used largely in cabinet making. I'm going to show you how to create quick, simple joints in this 18mm material with the minimum of fuss and marking out, using only these two stops and these two cross stops. Firstly, we're going to show you a quick and easy shelf joint. So imagine we wish to place this shelf in the middle of this cabinet side panel. Here's how we can do it. First, we clamp. And now we are ready to make our first cuts. We're going to leave the machine in this position throughout the first joint. We're going to use a 6x40mm domino, which requires us to cut 25mm into the shelf component and 15mm into the side panel. Next, we fit our cross stops, which with variable centres up to 200mm allows us to place 3 dominoes evenly across this board. We make our first 2 cuts in the tight setting here. I have cut these first 2 dominoes in the tight setting, ensuring that these faces at the front of your shelf remain flush. We can now open the cuts wider to make the components easier to assemble. And we can now start to use the pins on the cross stop to find the next centre. I'm now going to finish the rest of the cuts. And that's it. A really quick and simple shelf joint with no pencils required. Next, I'm going to show you how to assemble the base panel of your cabinet. Using the same settings and the shelf we just made, we now work from the plate in this position. And work from this face. It's important to note at this point that the dimension from the base of the machine to the centre of the cutter is 10mm. So now we must set the height of the plate to 20mm. Setting the depth to 15mm, we now make these 2 cuts vertically. But we need some extra support. A good tip here is to fold the plate up and then fit the support on a flat surface. This ensures that the support and the plate will be at 90 degrees. And there you have it. Quick and easy panel assembly using the DF500 domino jointer from Festool. I'm Gordon, thanks for watching.